Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we're on the couch in the living room. We are going to be working out while we watch TV. Well, my TV is off, but you get the drift. So you're starting off by suspending your weight and kicking out your legs in front of you. And this sets us up perfectly for the next move, which is going to be some arm dips. So you're going to come out a little bit further from the couch and just dip down. This really works the triceps. And you can also be holding your abs in, so you get a double workout. Do as many of these as you can. I think I counted to 10 or something around there. Take a break, and we're gonna go into push-ups. So you can use the couch, as you can see, as your prop. And I think I just did 10 of these. And I'm just going in for a nice lunge stretch. It's always good to stretch it out. And then I'm gonna be doing some bicycles. So I'm just leaning on the couch, but I'm keeping my abs in and trying to keep my back straight and trying not to kick my dog in the face. These are really easy to do. You can always watch TV as you're doing these as well. And now I'm incorporating a couch pillow, so I'm just keeping it between my knees and doing some lift and lowers, and it just creates that tension of holding the pillow between your knees, which adds some extra challenge. And I'm just using the pillow now to do some waist swivels. So you are just twisting at the waist, everything else is staying pretty much where it is. And it really works those abs. And again, incorporating the pillow, you're just going to lift it over you in front and in the back of you. Believe it or not, this actually does work your triceps. I was really surprised. Putting the pillow down, I'm just going to do a simple plank. These are really easy to do, especially if you are using your couch. There are no excuses not to plank it out. You could do it anywhere at all. And I'm just taking it into a modified plank. The more planks, the better. Alright, coming up, we're going to be doing some lunges. I forget what these kind are called. Bulgarian lunges? I can't remember off the top of my head, but a couch is the perfect height for this type of lunge, and you really get a really good workout in with this. So yeah, do as many of these as you want. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me with this workout. I hope you try it out. Stay fit even while you're watching TV, and thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.